Mikey, that is smelling delicious.
Oh, it's gonna be good, boss. A couple more minutes and we're ready.
Battalion 20, Squad 19.
Let's go. Come on, man, let's go. Get out of here. Shut the stove off.
Fire alarm.
Yeah, we'll be back.
Deerfield Place.
Oh, better turn these off. Hi there, my name is Brian McCarthy, I'm the Fire Marshal with Deerfield Fire Department. Welcome to Fire Prevention Week 2020. Things look a little bit different this year, so we're creating this video to kind of deliver some kitchen safety messages. When we're cooking, we got to make sure that we're paying attention to what we're doing, so we want to stay in our kitchen all times. Okay, and if we have to kind of walk away to use the restroom or something like that, use a timer to remind ourselves to not overheat things. While we're cooking, a couple safety items. Try not to leave anything combustible, like a rag or a pot holder or anything like that right next to the burner. Those could catch on fire with the flames and we got some problems. When we're cooking with hot oil, we want to make sure that we have the lids nearby, because if we have a flare-up, a grease flare-up into a fire, the easiest thing to do is drop that lid right on top of that pan. We don't want to throw water in there, we don't want to use a fire extinguisher. Now, if we're using the oven, yep, I think these guys left something in the oven. If we happen to have something on fire inside of our oven, the best thing to do is shut the oven off and leave it closed. Ovens will default into a locked feature, and they will go ahead and cool themselves down all on their own. We want to keep the area around our stove clean, and while we're cooking we want to wear tight, short sleeves, tight fitting clothing, nothing real bulky and things like that. We also want to keep a kid-free zone in front of our cooking areas with about 3 feet. When we're using microwaves, same thing. Microwaves cook things pretty hot, pretty fast. We want to make sure we have pot holders to remove the items from the microwave. And if we have anything in our microwaves that do start on fire, easiest thing to do is to power it off, leave it there, let it cool off, and when it's cool and safe, go ahead and open it up. Also, one last thing, please make sure you check your smoke alarms. Test those once a month, change those batteries once a year. If you need any information, you can visit our website. I thank you for joining us. Have a good day.